Hey, y'all. In our household, we like pork chops, don't we, Michael?
Yeah.
Yes, we love pork chops, ribs, Boston butts. We like our pork. So I'm going to share with y'all a quick and easy recipe. We can have pork chops and just throw them in the oven. No frying, no mess on top of the stove. So I've got 3 boneless pork chops, and I'm going to take them and just kind of break them down with my little meat beater. And I've got some couple of eggs here that I've beat up. All right, now we're going to flip these over. And I'm not going to season these because there's going to be a season already in them. And I don't want to get them too salty. All right, so we got 3 boneless pork chops. And we're going to put them, like I said, without any seasoning, we're going to put them in our beaten eggs. You can let them soak for a minute if you want to. That one felt like it didn't smashed enough. Okay. So in our egg it goes. Now in our other pan, I've got about a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add 1 envelope of the dried onion soup mix. Now it says use 2, but this can have a lot of salt in it. And I don't know if we're going to need to add that second one because we're just cooking 3 pork chops. And I've got my pan lined with my tin foil so we won't have a real big mess. Okay. This one doesn't. You know, like it got beat good in. Get back up here. Okay. I think I am going to have to add that second pack. You want to make sure that you press that down real good. Okay, here we go. It did take 2. Yeah, because I still got another pork chop to do. And now we're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees. And we're going to flip them after 10 minutes and put them back in for 10 more minutes. So 20 minutes all day for that recipe. Let me wash my hands and I'm going to get that little pig in the oven. Looks pretty good, doesn't it, y'all? All right, Papa, what's your...
It's delicious.
Good. So you would have me cook this again, right?
Yes, definitely.
It's full of flavor,
Uh-huh.
isn't it? from the dried soup mix. Delicious. I like those breadcrumbs. Real good. Bake it for 20 minutes, Michael. I just beat them. I beat them up. And then dipped them in egg and Lipton's dried onion soup mix and panko breadcrumbs.
Delicious.
And you got yourself a fried pork chop without grease on everything. Yum. Love and best dishes, y'all. Yeah, Michael said that this is our shake and bake meal, and he helped.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.